Good day everyone. Have you ever noticed that some students understand lessons better when they are moving, practicing, or physical involved? If yes, that is an example of kinesthetic learning, which is our topic for today. Kinesthetic learning is a learning style in which individuals learn best through a movement, touch, and direct experience. Instead of simply listening to a lectures or reading materials, they prefer learning by doing.
For example, some students memorize better when moving, such as walking or using hand gestures, because movement helps them focus and remember information better.
Kinesthetic learners are usually active and prefer on hands-on activities. They often learn better when they are physically participating, rather than remain seated in a very long period of time.
Another example, some students understand procedures better when they perform hand gloving themselves rather than just listening to instructions. Although it may seem simple, but physically practicing each step help them remember the proper technique and develop confidence in doing it correctly.
One major advantage of kinesthetic learning is that it improves understanding and memory because learners are directly involved. It also makes learning more enjoyable and interactive. However, kinesthetic learners may experience difficulty during long lecture because limited movement can reduce their attention.
In conclusion, kinesthetic learning style is an effective learning style because it combines actions, experience, and presentations, which helps students learn more actively. Thank you for listening.
I just had to let you know you're She had me been bullshit.